Do your floors, showers, or other surfaces drive you crazy because no matter what you do to clean them, they still look dirty? What if you could transform your floors and other hard surfaces to make them look as good as new at a fraction of the cost of doing a full restoration? Now you can with Grout. What many people don't realize is that one of the biggest contributors to dirty surfaces is the use of improper cleaning methods and products. In fact, when you hire a cleaning company, they may inadvertently make things worse because, in addition to not using the right chemicals, they let hard surfaces air dry. And while moisture evaporates, dirt does not. So ironically, the more you clean hard surfaces, the dirtier they can get. And a surface that's coated in dirt and grime isn't just ugly. Since it harbors bacteria, it's also unhealthy. Complete restoration is an expensive, time-consuming hassle, and without proper protection and maintenance, it'll just become dingy again. But Grout's non-toxic processes help eliminate all of these problems by cleaning, recoloring, and sealing hard surfaces to give them a like-new or better-than-new appearance. Because we manufacture our own cleaning and sealing products, we ensure total quality control. And we stand behind all of our work with a written warranty. In addition to recoloring your grout to give it a beautiful, consistent appearance that lasts, our exclusive color seal process also makes tile surfaces stain, water, mold, and mildew resistant. Plus, we don't just affordably revitalize ceramic floors and showers. Grout can also restore the original look of your marble, granite, travertine, limestone, porcelain, slate, and Mexican terracotta, as well as recalking for showers and backsplashes, and slip-resistant applications that reduce the risk of slip and fall accidents. But what really sets Grout apart is our focus on providing a truly exceptional service experience. All of our technicians are friendly, highly trained, licensed, and insured. Because every Grout franchise is locally owned and operated, they're also professionals from your community. It's no wonder Grout is recognized for providing some of the best customer service in the industry, and much of our business still comes from word of mouth, because we always strive to exceed your expectations. Clean, beautify, and protect your surfaces for a lifetime with Grout. Contact a representative today to schedule a free in-home consultation so your Grout professional can show you how easy it is to clean, beautify, and protect the surfaces in your home. See before and after photos and read success stories from other home and business owners like you. Or watch a brief demonstration video by visiting us online. Thank you.